Good afternoon. This is Brian Shannon from Alpha Trends Blog Spot. It is Thursday, the 4th of October, 2007, and the market has closed. S&P 500 finished with a gain of 28 cents, and you can see on the daily time frame that it continues to hold above that rising 10-day moving average. Here in a few minutes, we're going to have Research in Motion reporting earnings. That'll likely have a big effect on the trading tomorrow, as well as the jobs report. So a lot of what I say may change over the next few hours, but the market, it remains up near all-time highs, and it continues to look strong. If you look at the 30-minute time frame, the trend line that I've been pointing out here for a couple days did continue to hold up today. More importantly, we've got this prior level of resistance at about 153, and that does continue to act as support, or it hasn't even been tested, but we do have a rising 5-day moving average, and market seems to be just kind of quietly waiting for some news here. And again, that could be the catalyst of earnings from Research in Motion, or it may be the jobs report tomorrow morning. So we'll continue to take a look at that. And for now, cautiously optimistic. You can see on the 10-minute time frame that the 5-day moving average is still rising, and market is just kind of consolidating here sideways. So really, not much new to report in the S&P 500. Semiconductors, these guys broke down yesterday, and the important level of support I was talking about was this 3780. It continued to hold above that level after breaking what I thought was a prior level of support that was important, which was this 3870 level. 3870 was taken out decisively on the open yesterday. We had broken down below the 38 level, and now 3780 seems to be a pretty important level for this market to hold above. If it can't hold there, then I think we're going to be seeing bigger problems for this semiconductor market, which may spill over into the rest of the market as well. And right now, you see this Research in Motion trading up at 103 and climbing. So so far, it seems to have a somewhat positive effect. We'll see, though. And 105. So stocks doing really well here in the aftermarket so far. The IWM, the Russell 2000, that is. These guys have been acting much stronger lately. You can see that we've got a rising 10, 20, and 50-day moving average in here. And the important level of support for the short term is $82 a share. We can look at that on the 10-minute time frame. You can see that $82 level is also the location of that rising 5-day moving average. So the IWM continues to hold up well. We're going to give the benefit of the doubt to the buyers as long as we have that the direction of that 5-day moving average is higher. And looking at the daily time frame, you can see that we've got a market that is holding up above key levels on the longer term time frames as well. So the IWM continues to act good, but now trading at $97 a share and $95 a share on Research in Motion. So there's going to probably be a lot of volatility tomorrow, and if now this $93 level in Research in Motion is in the indication, then perhaps we're going to have a difficult day tomorrow. Let's see. Take a look at the Qs. The Qs finished with a gain of 12 cents at 51.77, and this market has given us a little bit of reason for concern. As I pointed out on the blog earlier today, it looks like maybe the possibility of a head and shoulders pattern developing. It did break below this prior level of resistance, which then acted as support for a while there. Now it's once again showing that So what I was trying to say, the Research in Motion was just trading so fast it was locking out part of my screen. What we have here on the NASDAQ 100, though, is a broken trend line. We've also broken below that 5-day moving average, kind of trading back and forth above and below it. So on a short-term time frame, there's definitely reason for a little bit of concern here with these lower highs and lower lows. And looking at a 30-minute time frame, you can see that trend line a little bit more clearly, and this support here at about, let's just call it 51.50. I think breaking below 51.50 might be a problem. But again, on the daily time frame, it's still in a fantastic uptrend, and really no damage done here right now.